Smile at the funny little red light.
Now, drink your tongue.
Well, ask them questions, tell them, make them say who they are.
Who are you?
This is a film documentary of in-laws.
In-laws, outlaws. My name is Jan. What's your name?
I'm Little Bo Peep. And I've lost my sheep. Have you seen my sheep?
Oh, come on now. Yes. Continue. Who's that over there in the corner?
That's Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. He's the king rabbit around here.
Yes. What else is new? New Jersey, New York, Minnesota.
That's right.
Mexico. Oh.
Ooh, hey, we're not supposed to hear any comments out of the cameraman.
What were you going to say? No, okay.
Here she goes again.
Isn't that awful?
You married it.
In a weak moment.
No. You're picking on me.
No, I'm not picking on you. You're picking on yourself.
Oh, gee.
And this is target, so it doesn't show up because it's... Go ahead, just get up and profile.
No, I won't Oh, Johnny. Look, Kylie. You can't see anything.
Oh, my God.
How long are you taking that for?
I don't know.
No, don't please. I can't think.
He got a brown ring around his nose, and every day it grows and grows.
Now who's had too much beer?
Oh, they don't wear pants in the southern part of France. What a friend we have in hell. Gee, all because he is a cat.
Meow, meow.
Oh, God, you're not Algina. You're not even Algina.
Thank you.
Ugh.
See,
Say something now, come on.
You had too much beer.
I did not. You're the one who had 2 beers tonight.
No, I didn't. How many fingers you see?
8.
Good.
Oh, brother.
How is he up to?
Look out for the screwdriver mechanic over there.
So what else is there?
Bedford, Rochelle, Jersey.
All right. You hear my stomach growl?
It constantly growls. Go ahead. Giggle. Giggle, 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 giggle. Come on, giggle. Giggle.
That's all.
Giggle.
That's
Giggle.
all.
Giggle. Giggle. Come on, giggle.
Oh,
Giggle.
that was a low blow.
Giggle. No, it was not. It was a high blow. Giggle. Giggle. Come on. Giggle. Giggle. Giggle.
You're not drinking, I can't laugh.
He's demonstrating. No, go ahead. Impersonate me. Come on. Hold that pose. Coochie, coochie, coo. Coochie, coochie, coo.
Oh, you're silly. No, what are you doing?
No, isn't that the pot calling the kettle black? Oh, my God. Hey, we have spittoons around here. None of that stuff. None of that lowbrow stuff.
It wasn't lowbrow. What kind of beer was that?
Well, it was Michelob.
Michelob?
That was Michelob, like they serve at the Hungry Tiger.
Oh, yeah. How about that? How's that gravy?
Oh. You want me to grab you, lay on the back of the neck? I'll grab you. I'll grab you. Oh, dear.
He's waiting for you to say something.
Her.
No, yeah.
Her.
Yeah.
Her. You. Turn it on yourself. Childhood. We'll use her second childhood as an example of her first childhood. This first maneuver she's grown.
Whoa.
Is supposed to be, is known as the daddy trap. She's too big to fit in the daddy trap anymore.
Yeah.
She's just too big. I can still do it. I can still do it. I can still do it. It's Morse code and pants in the buttock. No, wait a minute. It's not right.
Hey, it's hollow.
It's called a fist, right?
Dad, look at this. Look at this. It's hollow.
Like my hand, huh?
Ugh.
Well, maybe if you found an ad, then we'll go down.
You notice, hers is smaller, but hers is a lower key than mine.
Silly. Drums along the wall.
Oh, isn't that awful?
It's a, awful. Cuckoo. He thinks he's Jack Benny. I know.
Isn't that awful was not Jack Benny.
Yes,
It was originally created by Goodman Hayes.
There
The
she
old
goes,
radio
there she
show,
goes, there
Easy
she goes,
Aces.
There she goes.
That's it. Now here we have that highly skilled
Come here.
Oh.
No.
The elbow pierce. Look out you don't break that glass tray. Table, whatever it is.
Peanut. I'll talk to me.
I'll talk to her.
I'm being surrounded by apples.
It's called the setup.
Be careful.
Why, it might be late?
Never happened. See? It just goes up here. We push here, it just comes out here.
Come back.
Oh, you mean just like your friend, just like your friend Mr. Frog back home in Gilbert?
Yeah.
He's still on the couch, by the way. Froggy. He slips down behind the couch once in a while.
That's when he goes.
Froggy.
Well, Andy.
Yeah, Froggy. Are you keeping you up?
Mom, will you give me that pen right there for me? Thanks.
I fell for that. What can I do to you?
Now, can you reach it now?
Come on! You want this put down
What
here?
you are now witnessing does not have the good housekeeping seal of approval.
It's rated R for mature audiences only.
It does not meet the mill standard 9858.
No, no reflexes. Oh, jeez, Dad, you're just sitting there and letting her do things to me.
That's because I'm making of this. She gets twice.
Spider, what up the water
I'm
spout.
letting her know who's been naughty and not nice.
Not nice.
That's right. You're not nice.
Why am I not nice?
And she is giving you your punishment for Christmas. Also known.
Nosy. How would
You heard of 4-star performances?
How would you do to
Well, you
me?
rate 4 lumps of coal.
You know what she did? She looked at my shirt. She's nasty.
Well,
What
Ross
have you done
dress
to
falling
this
down.
child?
What type of upbringing you had?
Ross
What
dress
have you done
falling
to this
down.
child? You let her stray. Oh.
Jim, don't shake like that.
You can't touch me. You can't touch me.
No, how do you do it? How do you do it?
You can't touch me.
How is that nice? Look at those pretty sandwiches, isn't it all?
Isn't it awful? Awful.
Where'd you go? Oh, I'm tired.
You can't touch me.
Why can't I? Why can't I? Watch out, I'm going to show my bare skin.